Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to download Facebook on your Meta Quest 3. So at first guys, all you have to do is just take out this navigation bar pressing the Meta button on your controller. And as your navigation bar is out, all you have to do is go right here in the store and select it. And as your store page views, all you have to do is go in the search bar and type Facebook. And as you type it, it takes a while to load. And guys, as it loads, all you have to do is just click on here. And after you click it, you can see the option right here, download, and just click on here to download the Facebook on your Meta Quest 3. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. See you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.